Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn together how do we convert meditation app or sleep app UI design from Figma to Flutter. And our app will be look like this. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. Whether you are my subscriber, you are my members, which is supporter, silver supporter, and especially for my gold supporter, which is Ali Al-Faraj. Not only that, you can also support me by click super thanks from this video. You can check all links in the video description to check my affiliate links. You can support through that link, and also you can donate through all the available links in this video description. I'm very appreciative if you want to support me, and it's mean a lot for me. So if you want to watch full video tutorial, you can check link in the video description. Thank you so much and see you again.